Hi guys, my name is Jmash Kelkasiraseg and now we're playing Roblox. I don't know we're playing MM2. And this is not my main. This is not my main. This is a alt account. And this is one of my friend account and he give it to me. I'm just funny.
So I'm here.
Yeah, it's with me. I just lied,
Daladan ko to.
guys.
Daladan ko to. Alam mo na.
Ay, putik.
Alam mo na.
He's using tablet and I'm using a phone.
Roblox.
You want to get innocent. The flip. Hey, yo, targeter. Hi, Bacon. Tamart is using high-tech? Oh, hell no.
Downloadin ako ma. So, I'm downloading Roblox too. And why is there a feeling? Yes.
Bawal dyan mag-download.
Nakita ko pwede nga.
Bawal. Papagalitan na ni Mami.
Nanda ko sa YouTube.
Nanood ka.
YouTube Kids.
Bursa Kid. That is my baby brother. She's crying because my friend is too noisy. Look at this. Thick juice. Just kidding. This is a thick juice. Oh, bro! A bacon juke it and boom! Now, what the hell is that aim? You have edited, but that aim is suck. What the hell is that aim? No! Detangle it. Let it go. Okay. Just 4 more rounds and I'm gonna leave. I don't know how. But when I get murdered or sheriff, right now, I'm gonna play 5 more rounds. 5 more rounds. When I get sheriff or murder this round. And when I'm done, I'm just gonna play 3 more rounds. Okay? Look. Innocent. So just playing 3 more. Oh,
May Spotify to, diba? Tutugtog kita.
Oh my god, my lag is insane. Oh my god, laggy person. It's gonna hit me with the hitbox. I know how to trick shot. Boom! But I don't have the gun. Lol. Ano ba yung nipunan mo?
Alam mo na.
Guys,
Oh.
putik pat ka pa hindi bumibili.
Yo.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Pwede magpa-print match?
Wala po. Spin ko tapos nag-throw. Yo, my friend. Nice. Oh, he got shot. Rip. Okay, 2 more. Oh my god. There's a game in the server, bro. No. I'm using space. Computer. Boom! Got choke. In mobile. Nobody cares. Look at this, bro. Sheesh. Please murder. No. 2 more rounds and then gonna leave. It's been 4 minutes. Wow. Look at this little campo. I think that YouTuber is British. I don't know. Oh my god, this is a laggy version. Oh, katong camera. Bacon. Oh, got shotted, bro. Got shotted by gay dude. R.I.P. to your mother and father. R.I.P. Yummy te? What? Ha?
Ay, kapag nag-post ka sa YouTube,
Ano?
anong account gagamitin mo? Sa'yo? Okay. Dito ba sa YouTube? Okay.
Sa'yo.
Hindi ako mag-post.
Look at this. I'm gonna get sheriff. Just kidding.
Last round mo na.
Last round.
Pagkatapos niyan, last round.
Yes.
So, we are both Filipinos.
Yes. My eyes is burning. Okay, I'm not gonna lose this last. Heyo. You're sus as hell. Heyo!
Edit natin yan.
I don't know. Oh my god! Somebody, oh shit. I said I'm not gonna die. Bro lied! I hate this.
Edit natin yan, hindi.
What the hell is that thing? No.
Okay.
What the hell is that thing? He's using Waxy. We just shoot bacon. You're gonna die. LOL. Bro! Shit! Shoot! Why are you shooting?
So, we
at,
are one
bro?
of the best mobile players.
Yeah, can you say that? Mom, what the hell is that thing? When I get the gun, I can take shot. When I get sheriff or merge in the last round, I'm just one dead, bro.
Last round.
When I get sheriff or merge in the last round, I'm gonna play 5 more.
Nah, Jen.
It's only been.
Bro.
Bro, roasted hair. Where is your hair? Bro. Oh, that's us. Oh my god. Niro-roast ka just so. Where is your hair now? Oh, I thought he's gay. Okay, he's not gay. Cancel that.
Nah.
I got scammed. And he's... I admit to myself, guys. Dot inang putik. I got scammed in MM2. I trade my pumps gun and freaking rune knife for a freaking clownfish. Oh, great heavens of my life of soul. What am I doing? Okay, that's lang, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Later. That is get. Oh, hell no. I know who's mad. Oh, hell no. Look and take today.
Joke dyan.
Nah. Got killed, bro.
Get the gun. Tanga, ayun yung gun.
I am your mama. I'm your father. And your mother.
Ayun yung gun mo,
Your
ayun yung
father.
gun.
Oh, your father. Oh, your mother. Got you. Yo, what are you thinking? Bro, I hate this game. Bye-bye.